Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get to some stocks on the move today. We're joined by Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Denitsa Sukova. She's in our studio. Where shall we begin?
We should start with Ford. After hours, announced the sweeping overhaul of its EV business. The price tag is pretty amazing. The strategic shift will result in nearly $20 billion in charges. They've been obviously struggling with this business for a while to make it profitable. The majority of those charges will come in the fourth quarter, so they're not yet appearing. The ticker is F. The stock, we're not seeing a massive reaction, but it was up about 1% in after hours. As part of the plan, the automaker is canceling a planned electric F-Series truck. It's making a lot of changes. It's interesting how much money that division has been losing. Ford lost about $5 billion in its EV division last year and expect losses could be worse this year. There is a fun AI twist. One of the most promising options is converting EV battery plants to produce cells for stationary storage, and that's what they're doing in one plant in Kentucky. It's pretty interesting.
That's wild.
It's a big shift.
Huge shift.
Yeah, it's pretty massive, but I don't think we're all surprised because we've seen kind of where the car makers, certainly the U.S. automakers, where they've been going and shifting in terms of priorities. All right, where shall we go?
Let's go to Zillow. Pretty tough day. The stock dropped as much as 13%. It closed 8% lower. It's coming off Google just testing a new real estate advertising format. It's not only Zillow, which ticker is ZG. We saw CoStar Group also. It fell as much as 7% on the news. It's very vague. We don't know really what's happening. Google is putting for sale listings directly into search results. This is just a feature, currently a test, and it's live in only a limited number of markets. But we saw quite a reaction on something that's just being tested. Zillow, of course, is down 8% year to date, so perhaps there was already some anxiety there. That said, Wall Street strategists are not so worried. They're dismissing the stock reaction. For example, RBC is saying that the fears surrounding Zillow are overblown. Bloomberg Intelligence is taking a more balanced stance, saying that Google's home listing test could pressure growth at Zillow and Opendoor. So maybe eventually that will be actually a good thing for the companies, but too early to say anything. It's just a test.
All right, just got about 30 seconds. Last name.
Chocolate. Great day for Hershey's. The stock gained more than 3%. It's coming off a Morgan Stanley recommendation. Pretty simple. The company is poised for multi-years earnings recovery. The chocolate category has been doing very well. Company has innovation. They're delivering at least 2% organic sales growth. So very optimistic. And one cool thing about GLP drugs, they're saying that despite more people using them, consumers still continue to indulge from time to time, which is keeping chocolate consumption
They
high.
would say that.
What?
From time to time is enough.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.